How to use HCS 8385 interpreter unit. Firstly, how to choose a monitoring channel. Interpreter can monitor any one of the preset language channels by selecting from the 7 pre-select buttons. To monitor a channel outside the preset ones, interpreter can tune in the channel by long pressing one of the pre-select buttons and rotating the master knob in the meantime. For a quick return to channel 1, press synchronously the master knob and one pre-select button. Secondly, how to choose an output channel. Interpreter can choose from 3 preset languages by pressing the output channel buttons A, B, or C. When interpreting into a language outside the preset ones, interpreter can search for the channel by long pressing the button C and rotating the master knob in the meantime. If channel C is off, interpreter can still get to the right channel by long pressing the button B and rotating the master knob in the meantime. For a quick return to channel 1, press synchronously the master knob and the open output channel button B or C. Thirdly, for simultaneous interpretation, feed the interpretation audio into the selected output channel by pressing mic on/off button. Only one active microphone is allowed in a booth. When the microphone is on, loudspeakers on all interpreter units in the booth will be automatically muted. The light indicator will light up when an output channel is engaged, and the number of the engaging booth will be displayed above the channel icon. To temporarily turn off a microphone, press and hold the mute button. Light indicator would be on. Release the button to reactivate the microphone.